Hi friends, this is your friend Arun from LiveinGermany channel. So today I'm back again with daily news, guys. So today I have four different news. One regarding an approval of package for companies, one regarding an coronavirus case in Africa, and then later regarding a new law which was passed today for equality of women. So if you are new to this channel, please do click on the subscribe button as well as join our WhatsApp and Telegram group so that you can stay updated about Germany in English as well as outside Germany. So let's go on to today's content. So like I said, the first news is going to be regarding an economic stabilization package. So it's a package almost worth 600 billion euros worth of money. So this is not for families and kids or students, it is for the companies. So out of the 600, around 100 billion euros will be used for KfW Bank for business loans and so on. 100 billion and again for state-wise investments, state investments in equity funds and so on. And the rest 400 will be given as guarantee loans. So we will see next time how it helps. So if you are a business holder, be happy that you will have a chance of getting a loan, and this is supposed to protect businesses, jobs as well. So this is a very, very positive news for everybody who is employed in Germany as of now. So the next news I want to go to is Africa. I'll just skip from Europe to Africa. So it's not a very positive news. Like we have seen that there has been around 500,000 cases of corona in Africa, especially in South Africa. In a single day, there was around 10,000 cases. Okay, I'm switching between English counting and German counting. So 10,000 cases. So this is a very bad sign, honestly. And out of the other countries, 54 countries in Africa, we are not sure how many cases are there. First of all, there is no proper protection gears available. There were demonstration from nurses, and what is even worse is there is only 0.3 doctors per 1,000 people in Africa. So when the actual pandemic starts there, like a very huge wave, it is going to be catastrophic. So the world is watching, try to help them. And a lot of countries are putting measures, but it's a very important thing for us also to know, because this will also have an effect on us on the long run. So the next news I have is something regarding a new law, a first national gender equality law, which has been approved today by the cabinet. So this one is regarding to treat both men and women equally, and also to close the gap between salaries of men and women. So it is approximately, or an average 20% salary gap is always between a man and a woman. So this gap has to be shortened or made equal. Shortened is the wrong word, I'm sorry, it has to be equal. So that's why there has been a new law which will come into place. And also they found, because of this gap which is falling in later time when they are on pension, this gap even increases to 50%. So this is very huge and not a good thing. But now they have implemented or put into place 67 new strategy points as well as topics for that, laws for that, in order to make them equal. I think there will be more data and details on this in the next stage. I'll definitely update you on that. Especially women, please be happy and also share this news with your fellow friends and colleagues so that it will be useful for you. And the CDU party, which is also one of the ruling parties, went one step further and implemented 50% quota for women in its own party. So if you're somebody who's sitting down there and interested in politics, it's a really, really nice news. Even if not, still it's a very good news. I see this as a sign of equality between gender, honestly. So it's in the sense what they're planning to do. So right now, maybe 20% of CDU higher positions are held by women. They want to increase it to say 30% by 2021, and then later by 40, and by 2025 even district level positions 50% must be allocated for women alone. So this will bring a really big dynamic demographic change in politics as well as the structure of society, I expect, when other parties also follow this, as well as when it goes to the parliament. So this is very good news, guys. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this was informative. I'll come again tomorrow with another interesting video. Please share with your friends, support me the way you can, and thanks for all your love, and let's grow a happy community together as one, and bye bye.